a forest deep where the shadows play, lived a bunny named Willow who loved to stray. One night she found a tree so grand, with a glowing key in the soft, cool sand. Bunny, bunny, what did you see? A secret hidden in the enchanted tree. Turn the key, unlock the door, a world of wonder you've never seen before. She turns the key with a gentle twist. The tree creaked open, fogged with mist. Inside was a staircase winding down to a place where dreams wore a golden crown. Bunny, bunny, where did you go? Down to a world where mysteries flow. Step by step, adventures near, a land of magic with nothing to fear. Willow met a squirrel who could talk and sing. He wore a cape and a shiny ring. Welcome, dear friend, to the realm of light, where the day is dark and the night is bright. The stars were flowers blooming in the sky, the moon a lantern hanging way up high. Follow me, the squirrel said with glee. There's more to discover, just wait and see. They reached a river that sparkled with glow, where dreams float by in a gentle flow. Willow dipped her paw, felt the warmth within, and suddenly her heart began to spin. Bunny, bunny, what did you find? A secret world where dreams unwind. Dip your paws, let the magic flow, in the enchanted land where everything glows. At the river's end was a tree of light, with branches that danced in the quiet night. The tree whispered secrets soft and clear. Hold on to hope and have no fear. Bunny, bunny, you found the key to unlock the magic in you and me. With every hop, a dream takes flight in the enchanted world under the starlit night. Willow returned the key in her paw. The night was silent, filled with awe. She knew that now, whenever she'd dream, the enchanted tree would forever gleam.